Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online. If you don't know me, I was ranked the #1 video editor on YT Jobs in 2025. I've done 500 million long form views for my clients. I make over $12,000 every month, and I've retired my mom with video editing, all at the age of 21. I've also worked with many famous creators, including a Cookie God, Skeppy, Nico, Speedy Blocks, and many, many more, as you can see here on screen. So that's a little bit about why you might want to listen to me and what I have to say. Now, today we're going to be talking about how I would make 100K from scratch if I was new to video editing, because I promise you, it's actually not as hard or complicated as you think. It's just going to take a lot of time, work, and effort. But before we get started, I just want to say, if you're even somewhat serious about video editing, I highly recommend you join my school community called Six Figure Editor, where in here you're going to have access to me every single day, where I'll answer all of your questions, a full 6-module course on how to raise your rates, position yourself as premium, close new clients, have clients agree to your raises, and how to grow your personal brand to over 7,000 followers across multiple platforms, as I have myself, all for the price of only $50. So if you get even one client from everything you learn in there, you'll make what, a 50x return? That's pretty worth it, not gonna lie. So if you want to turn your passion into a career and take care of your family, your loved ones, travel the world while doing what you love, then be sure to check out Six Figure Editor in the description. But yeah, let's get into the video. And I want to start off with the specific numbers of where I began, because the fact that I make over $12,000 a month, you will not believe how low and hard it started out for me. So on my first video that I ever did as a commission, I charged $12 for a video that took me 24 hours. Ridiculous. I know, 50 cents an hour. What a good raise. What a good price. But it wasn't about the money back then. It was about the fact that I had learned that I could do what I was passionate about and even make money from that. I wasn't like trying to leverage my rates and become, a full-time editor back then. I was just so thrilled that I could make money from a skill that I, one, was passionate about, and two, was good at. So that's how it all started for me. So I just want you to know that no matter where you're starting at, that it is possible to scale up if you put in the work, the effort, and learn from the right people. And now that I've been editing for 5 years and have done all the accomplishments I mentioned and do this full time, there's two major things that I'm gonna say were responsible for my success. Actually, let's make that 3 things. The first thing I'm gonna say is positioning. I have built my personal brand by tweeting every single day for multiple years. I have editing tweets that date back to 2021, just to show you how long I've been at this game. So by that and talking about my accomplishments publicly, I have positioned myself as an extreme authority who makes working with me no question for clients. The second thing is outreach. I consistently do outreach even when I'm at max capacity to look for new and better opportunities. And third, I show up every single day. Other than exceptions of being like very sick or family vacations, I work 7 days a week every week without exception. Just because I'm so passionate about this. Like, I'm beyond obsessed with editing and beyond obsessed with growing my business. And the fact that, I don't even know what I would do with myself if I wasn't putting this time and effort into this. And that's kind of what it takes to get to this spot. You have to have unwavering dedication and passion towards what you do every day. Even on the days you're burnt out, even on the days that you're sick and tired, just do a little bit. Do something to move the needle forward a little bit. Even if that's sending 3 outreach messages and then going and laying in bed, at least you did something to push the needle every single day. Because even if it's just a tiny little thing over years and years and years, imagine how much that compounds. Now, after that, I want to talk about pricing evolution. So obviously, as you know, I started at $12 a video. And then from there, I would steadily raise my rates until eventually I became such an authority in the space that people started offering me full-time roles. I did this by, 1, grinding videos for my clients and becoming the #1 video editor on all of YT Jobs out of like the 70,000 editors on there, by doing so many views for my clients and so many videos for my clients, because I was that locked in, showing up every single day. Now, because of that positioning, I'm now able to get clients at ease. So it's like, it's almost like a graph that goes up and up and up and then straight up at the end, because all those years of effort and showing up every day finally have just like started paying off in the last year or two. And now I'm able to do what I love full time while making a great living, taking care of my mom. As I said, she was a school teacher making $3,000 a month. And since then, I've totally replaced her income, all thanks to video editing. And it's one of the most special and beautiful things I've ever been able to do. And I really hope all of you really push this to the extreme and do the same for your family and loved ones. I see so many new people who join my school community and just people on Twitter talking about how discouraged they get with outreach. And trust me, I get it. A lot of people go and expect to do 1 week of outreach or even 1 day of outreach, and they start wondering why, I haven't closed a client yet. What am I doing wrong? Is my message wrong? Am I a terrible editor? Is my work bad? They go into this down spiral of overthinking and like imposter syndrome. And I just want to say to you guys that it takes time. It's crazy how it happens, because there's one time I DM someone and then 3 months later they reached out back to me and said, "Hey, I'll let you know in the future." And then 3 months after that, they become a client. All because I sent that one message. So even if you're not seeing immediate results or fast results, you have to show up every day no matter what, because I promise, if you're doing outreach that isn't like copy and paste AI, like BS, then I promise that you're not doing anything that terribly wrong. So just try to be valuable, keep it short and concise, and also as personal as you can. And I promise that over time, by showing up every day, outreaching every day, you're going to be able to acquire as many clients as you need to go full-time editing. So I hope you found this super helpful, and I wanted to end off this video and remind you guys that if you're interested in becoming a six-figure editor and getting your daily questions answered by me every single day, going through our 6-module course on how to raise your prices, how to become premium, how to have clients always agree to your raises, how to grow your personal brand, how to build systems that allow you to stop trading your time for money, and a lot more, be sure to check out Six Figure Editor in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.